Singapore's tax authority has seen a small but rising number of split private home ownership arrangements in recent years. Of all the private properties transacted from the year 2018 to 2021, there were about 0.5% of such cases. Now, real estate agencies say that that's about 1 out of 200 homes sold during that period. And authorities are zooming in on these cases for tax avoidance. Rebecca Mateo with this report.
There are several ways to split the ownership of buying a home like this. Among them is an arrangement commonly known as the 99:1 ratio, and it could be misused to avoid paying higher taxes. So, how does this work? Let's say Party A already owns a property and wants to buy a second property. To get around paying the 17% additional buyer's stamp duty of purchasing the second property, Party A would enlist someone to help. Often, it could be a family member who will buy the new property. A transfer of a 1% share of the second property is made to Party A. This means Party A would pay less taxes based on the 1% share of the second property. But one property agent says not all 99:1 arrangements are problematic.
If the parent and the child were to come in on this 99:1 arrangement during the point of sale, there's absolutely nothing wrong because the maximum stamp duty would have been paid for at the start. So in this case, where the parent only come in later on after the option has been exercised or the sales and purchase agreement has been executed, and then the 1% being sold and only the ABSD paid on the 1%, then clearly the intention is to evade tax.
Ms. Tay says there are home buyers who have approached her about such a practice, but has advised them against doing so. For those looking to game the property tax system, the Inland Revenue Authority of Singapore says it's looking to audit such sales. That's to ensure home buyers fulfill their stamp duty obligations and to uncover any tax avoidance. If such cases are found, homeowners will have to pay for the full stamp duty amount. They will also have to fork out another 50% surcharge on the additional stamp duty payable. The Finance Ministry adds that there is no time limit for such audits, meaning earlier buys could also be investigated.
He has therefore initiated audits of such transactions to better understand the circumstances of each case and ensure that buyers fulfill their rightful stamp duty obligations. Whether a 99:1 arrangement involves tax avoidance depends on the facts and circumstances surrounding the specific case.
Mr. Chi adds that these arrangements make up a small proportion of transactions and that the impact on the property market is insignificant.